You are holding a tiny, controlled chemical reaction in the palm of your hand, and you probably never even thought about the science behind it. It is essentially slow motion rust. When you rip open that plastic film, you are starting a countdown. The oxygen in the air rushes in, and it begins to attack the iron powder inside the pouch. This is a classic exothermic reaction. It is a fancy way of saying it creates heat as it breaks down. Most of us just call them hand warmers, but they are actually little engineering marvels. Inside that soft, breathable material, there is a specific blend of ingredients. You have iron, activated carbon, salt, water, and vermiculite. The salt and water act like a catalyst. They get the rusting process moving much faster than it would on an old nail in the rain. The carbon helps spread the oxygen out so the heat is even. The vermiculite is there to act like an insulator, keeping that heat from escaping too fast. It takes about 15 to 30 minutes to really get going. You give it a little shake, you tuck it away, and suddenly that biting chill starts to fade. It reaches an average temperature of about 135 degrees Fahrenheit. That is a lot hotter than most people realize. In fact, that is where the danger hides. People treat these like harmless pillows, but there is a genuine burn risk if you do not follow the directions. Most of us never bother to read the tiny print on the back. You should never, under any circumstances, press these directly against your bare skin for a long time. They are designed to be used inside a glove or a pocket. If you strap one directly to your arm and fall asleep, you could wake up with a nasty surprise. The heat is consistent, and it is relentless. It can last for 10 hours, or even 18 for the larger versions. That is an incredible amount of time for something that does not require a single battery. Think about the convenience here. You do not have to worry about charging cables. You do not have to worry about a battery dying in the middle of a blizzard. You just tear, shake, and go. It is perfect for those early morning walks when the fog is so thick you can taste it. It is perfect for those long shifts in a cold warehouse where the heaters never seem to work. Even if you are just sitting in the stands at a game, having that steady source of warmth in your jacket makes all the difference. It prevents that painful, stinging sensation in your fingertips that feels like 1,000 tiny needles. It is reliable, it is cheap, and it is incredibly simple. You do not need to be an extreme athlete or a mountain climber to appreciate it. It is for anyone who just wants to stay comfortable when the temperature drops. No complex setups. No apps to download. Just a little bag of rust and salt keeping the winter at bay. It is one of those rare products that does exactly what it says on the box, provided you treat that heat with the respect it deserves. Keep it in your pocket. Keep it off your skin. And you can turn a miserable, freezing afternoon into something almost cozy. It is the closest thing we have to magic in a pouch. A tiny sun you can carry around until the day is done.